Are outdated or complicated forms slowing down your Shopify store? Try the POWR Form Builder, the all-in-one form solution to convert shoppers into customers. With just a few clicks, create stunning, customizable forms in seconds. No coding, no hassle. Choose from our library of beautifully made templates built to help you grow your email list and communicate with your customers. Your forms will also look great on any device, ensuring a smooth experience for customers on the go. Turn on advanced integrations such as Shopify Customer, Google Sheets, Klaviyo, and more, giving you total automation control. Hit Publish and watch your new form go live instantly on your Shopify store. Start collecting valuable customer information, drive engagement, and grow your business faster and smarter. Ready to transform your store's customer interactions? Install POWR Form Builder for free. Find it on the Shopify App Store today.